What is the best ultra short throw projectors? Here are my full reviews of the best ultra short throw projectors. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. VAVA 4K Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector. Balancing price and performance, the VAVA 4K Ultra Short Throw Projector lights up any screen with a big, bright, beautiful picture. Its laser light source makes the resulting image particularly bright while offering a long 25,000 hours of life from its light source. The 2500 ANSI lumens means that it's suitable for use in a bright room, while the 3000:1 contrast ratio makes its picture quality look magnificent. Packing a 60-watt Harman Kardon soundbar complete with Dolby Audio and DTS HD processing, the built-in audio works well for a self-contained home theater experience. Image quality is absolutely outstanding with a bright, crisp image. Although it's a 4K projector that actually displays 8 million pixels on screen, the chip inside isn't a native 4K chip. Instead, the VAVA relies on pixel shifting. Connectivity is top-notch with a trio of HDMI ports, ARC for use with a soundbar or receiver, and optical audio. While an Android operating system, OS, does come preloaded, it's a touchscreen optimized version of Android rather than a true Android TV OS. As such, certain apps such as YouTube and Netflix won't work properly. But an external streaming device such as the NVIDIA Shield TV or a Roku. The vertical offset is fairly large, so depending on the height of your projector screen, you may need to move the VAVA closer to the ceiling. Sadly, lag for gaming is fairly high at around 100 milliseconds. It's probably not too noticeable for single-player games and certain slower-paced video games, but won't be usable for hardcore gaming. Still, the VAVA 4K Laser TV is easily the best ultra-short throw projector for most users. It affords a bright image with good color accuracy and stellar speakers for a phenomenal value. Notably, VAVA has announced its Chroma projector. A tricolor laser projector, it improves over the original VAVA in nearly every way with low input lag as well as better color accuracy. The Chroma successfully smashed its Indiegogo crowdfunding goal. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. JMGO U2 4K Tricolor Ultra Short Throw Laser TV Projector. The JMGO U2 is a competitively priced tricolor laser UST. It sports a triple laser light source with an impressive 114% Rec. 2020 and super bright 2400 ANSI lumens. With a 4K ultra high definition pixel shifting resolution, the JMGO U2 produces an extremely bright, color accurate image. You'll find plenty of hookups including an Ethernet LAN port, optical Toslink audio output, a pair of HDMI ports, one with ARC, and USB. JMGO's U2 runs the Android-based Luna operating system. It's fairly good for streaming purposes, although, and this goes for all smart TVs or projectors, you're better off connecting a dedicated streaming box like the Chromecast with Google TV or NVIDIA Shield. Under the hood, the U2 sports a 0.47-inch Texas Instruments DLP-DMD imaging chip for pixel shifting 4K. Image quality is fantastic with great color accuracy. Its built-in Dynaudio speakers feature Dolby Audio processing, and sound solid. While I'd still recommend a soundbar or surround sound system, the U2 manages to pump out full, rich audio on its own. 3D content looks superb. In its default mode, input lag is high at over 100 milliseconds, but the computer mode preset cuts that to a more than playable 42 milliseconds. There is a fairly big footprint. As such, you'll need a decently sized media cabinet to place the U2 on. However, its heft is due to the RGB triple laser light source, so the large chassis is worth it for the excellent image quality along with great ventilation which keeps the fan noise down. With an MSRP around $2,100, the JMGO U2 is an outstanding tricolor laser TV. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Optoma Cinemax P2 Ultra Short Throw 4K UHD Laser Projector. The Optoma Cinemax P2 is an outstanding 4K UST projector. You'll find a super bright 3000 ANSI lumens mated to an RGB 6-segment color wheel and a laser light source. As such, the Optoma Cinemax P2 delivers a stunningly gorgeous picture with unrivaled color accuracy. A mind-boggling 2,000,000,1 contrast ratio and 120% rec.709 coverage makes the Optoma Cinemax P2 a true cinephile caliber ultra-short throw projector capable of displaying some serious eye candy. A game mode provides a 67 milliseconds response time, which is pretty solid, though not suitable for hardcore gamers. Its built-in speakers rival that of most soundbars, and you can even connect a powered subwoofer to its audio out jack for additional bass. The input lag still isn't acceptable for die-hard gamers. But high brightness, exceptional color accuracy, stellar contrast ratio, and superb speakers make it a good value. While the input lag is still a big high, it's much lower than on most other 4K UST projectors. Overall, the Optoma Cinemax P2 is the best ultra-short throw projector for movies. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Epson EpiqVision Ultra Short Throw LS300 Smart Laser Projector. While 4K is all the rage, opting for a 1080p projector can save you some cash. The Epson LS300 is the best ultra-short throw projector for 1080p. Although it features a native 1080p resolution, the LS300 Smart Streaming Laser Projector can accept a 4K signal and downscale it to 1080p while maintaining HDR. It's got 3600 ANSI lumens, an impressive 1,500,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio, Android built-in, and a set of excellent Yamaha speakers. The Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS300 laser projector offers a similar feature set to its LS500 older sibling. Sadly, the version of Android on board is a mobile-optimized version. Therefore, you won't be able to install many popular apps such as Netflix or Amazon Prime. However, the Epson LS300 can cast a large, bright, crisp image from just a few inches away from the wall. While it sacrifices 4K for 1080p, the LS300 offers great bang for your buck. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. Samsung 130, the premier 4K smart triple laser projector. One of the disadvantages of virtually all projectors is that they typically work best in a dark room and built-in speakers are generally rubbish. But the Samsung LSP9T is a 4K UST projector that provides a television caliber experience. The onboard audio quality is fantastic, and its image quality remains excellent. Boasting 2800 lumens, the Samsung LSP9T laser projector withstands a decent amount of ambient lighting. It can output in 4K HDR and sports-grade HDR tone mapping. A triple laser design yields improved brightness as well as color range. What's more, the built-in speakers compete with most soundbars. Additionally, its smart TV capabilities are pretty good. You'll find Android and Apple AirPlay casting support, voice control, plus a Tizen Smart TV interface is found on Samsung's smart TVs. The one downside is its sticker shock-inducing price tag. Though Samsung's LSP9T laser TV doesn't come cheap, it arrives in a complete package that can actually replace your TV. There's even a coax input for connecting an over-the-air, OTA, antenna. As an alternative, you may consider the LSP7T, which features most of the same specs but maxes out at a recommended 120 inches versus the 130-inch maximum image size of the LSP9T. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.